Good job, buddy! Yay, Collin! Such a tough guy! Good job! Good job! Go get your bike! Good job! Look at you! Whoa! Good job! You're driving as fast as I'm walking! Good job, buddy! Yay! Oh, go faster! Yeah, go faster!
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the Ward House. We had a little impromptu barbecue with some of the neighbors last night. A little bit of it right here. But we are now headed to Collin's last soccer game of the season. You ready, Collin?
Yep.
Yeah?
I'm getting cocoa at the Target.
You're getting cocoa at Target. We can see where his priorities are.
Yeah.
Bella, are you ready?
Yeah.
Oh, gosh.
Oh,
Ashleigh, are you ready?
Yeah, I don't know if my mirror is.
If you guys have not subscribed, please subscribe and check out some of our old videos if you want to catch up. We'll see you at the game.
Oh! 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 Got that on camera. Good job, buddy. Kick the ball, Collin! Oh! Kick the ball, Collin! Go! 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 I know! Yeah! Okay, go! Yeah, same shin guards! Oh my gosh! Go, go, go! Go to the goal! Go to the goal! Go to the goal! No, no, wait! Yeah! Yay, Collin! Yeah! He just died! Go! Go, Collin! Oh, yeah, run! Keep going! No, no hands! Collin, no hands! Oh, he's done. Yay! So I'm here at Target using a gift card that I got, hoping to get a new swimsuit. We'll see. But since I can't try anything on, this is going to be difficult because I don't know what size I am. I've been working out and stuff, so we'll see. Because for those of you who don't know, Russ and I are going on a trip in July to Florida. So I don't quite know what I'm looking for, but we'll see. Well, we didn't vlog it, but we went to the farmer's market in Kootenai County here. But I got myself a new tomato plant, Roma tomato. It's probably our biggest tomato in our garden, or tomato plant in our garden. Collin got burned at Target with his hot cocoa, but he's okay. It just went on his shirt. I got a new swimsuit. That's
boys versus girls.
That's all we could afford with that $50 gift card. So this is super exciting, you guys. I just got a package in the mail. It's something that I haven't always wanted, but I just started deciding that I wanted it this year. With our renewal of our garden and everything, and the fence and stuff, I wanted a garden shed. So it's a little garden shed. It's, I think, 24 by something. I don't remember. But I'm going to put it over here in this corner. So we have the garden over here, and I'm gonna put it right over there in that corner. I already have the wood pallet there already for it. I'm gonna set it up here. This is our awesome package right here. I'm super stoked. Don't know where to start. Well, found the guide. Let's just hope all of these are numbered. I don't see any numbers on them, but we'll see. I'm gonna need more shade. Worried though, because the guide shows like A1 and D2 and all those kind of numbers. I don't see anything. So wish me luck. I'm not even gonna do this in fast motion because I don't know how long this is gonna take. So I'm just gonna finish it and then you'll see how it turns out. All right, so I had a bit of change in wardrobe. It got a little hot. It's like 80 something degrees out today, you guys. It's beautiful, but doing work at the same time is very hot. So instead of doing a step-by-step kind of thing, I'm just going to show you what I got so far. So this is looking at it from the back end. The door is semi-finished. That's the little latch part. There's a little latch. A latch thingy will come down and lock it. These are where the shelves are going to be placed in. Got 3 of them. So that's exciting. I'll put like my pots or something on there. And then there's the bottom. There's a little bottom piece that goes on it, which is right there. I'm going to keep working on this and hopefully finish it here pretty soon because I'm getting hot. It's getting hot. That was a tough one in this sun, but I finally got it finished. It's I placed it in here all by myself. Yeah, she-woman. Ooh, looks good. Got it on the platform. It's actually a little bit smaller than I thought, but it fits just about everything that I need so far. Open this up. I already got a couple rakes in there and all my stuff in there. They kind of went a little wonky on the, I don't know if you can see it. I can't see. But on the shelf here, because this shelf underneath doesn't match up. That's the only downside, but I think maybe if I glue that on or something, it'll be fine. But I got something light on it for now anyways. That's my sifter, dollar store. We'll probably add a few things here and there once we start utilizing this. And then our potatoes are growing so well. Yeah, I'm really, really happy with our garden. I couldn't be happier, honestly. This is like my pride and joy right now, so. Not yet. Takes time.
I know.
Gotta be patient. He's over there. But not only that, I'm just really happy with our yard. I mean, we have our patio all like extended. My husband did that. We got bricks around the trees, so it'll be easier for husband to mow the lawn around it. We just gotta get rid of the grass.
Yeah, we gotta block the grass up.
Yeah, block the grass. But besides that, I mean, I'm really happy with our house and what we've done. Oh, we got new floors in our house, which is awesome. Are we all ready?
Yeah.
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 Yeah. We're going fishing this morning. It's a beautiful morning. It's about 8:30.
Yeah. We're, as far as like real fishing goes, we're a little late, obviously.
Well, we're going with kids, so it's not real fishing.
We're bluegill fishing, so
Bluegill.
we'll be good until 10:30 or so.
Yeah. But it's been a while since we gone fishing, so we're all like, super excited. You see any fish? Probably because we're still making so much noise. Yeah, and this is what dads do. They never get to sit and fish. They have to get fishing ready all the time. Well, we're trying a new place. We didn't get any catches, but Collin got to... Yeah, we got skunked. But Collin got to toss out someone else's fish back into the water, you know, catch and release, but Collin got a little grossed out because it's slippery, huh, buddy?
He caught one even bigger than the first one as we were leaving. The guy caught another one.
Oh, he did?
Yeah.
I didn't see that. Well, we got to our new spot, and we've been to this spot before, and I'll put the little iCard up here for that spot. It was for Father's Day a couple years ago. We are here. Dad's getting us started on our lines and stuff. We already saw a couple muskrats in the water over there. And a crane. We're here. It's beautiful, beautiful. Not too windy either this time. Oh no, here comes the waves! Ah. Whoa, big waves! Whoa, big waves! You know what made those waves? The boat did. Oh. Well, we got skunked. Oh, Dad.
I don't like to admit things like that. We didn't get skunked. We gave the fish another chance. That's what we did.
Oh, is that right? Even though it was going to be catch and release anyways.
Don't.
Don't tell him that.
Yeah.
So we just finished lunch, and now we're going to go to the park with the puppies.
Puppy.
Charlotte! They can't wait to go in the water because we're going to the new dog park, and there's a water park for them so they can play. We're going. Yay! Dog park. Yay! Good girl, Shars. Kona! Kona, come here. Kona, good girl. Good girl, Shars. Go play. Go play. Of course, we get stay here and Collin has to go pee. Is that good water, bud? Yeah. Good girl. Good girl. Oh, Russ, dogs are surrounding him. They will knock him over.